At mga huling tanong ko sa ngayon sa Bureau of Immigration, Commissioner, ano na po bang pinakahuling impormasyon nyo tungkol sa whereabouts ni Guo Huaping o Alice Guo?
Based on latest reports sa akin po kagabi, si Alice Go is in Jakarta.
Ah, lumipat mula sa Batam, alright? So, pwede nyo po bang bigyan ng assurance itong komite na Alice Guo will have her day in court and will also have her day before this committee and before the Committee on Women as well, Commissioner?
Basing on the same letter that I sent to the Director General of Indonesian Immigration, the request for the deportation of Alice to the Philippines is still standing and continuous po yung coordination ng Philippine immigration at saka yung Indonesian immigration. And we would like to assure the committee that we are doing our best na maibalik din siya as soon as possible.
Yung sabi nyong you're doing your best in coordination sa Indonesian immigration, ibig sabihin po may ongoing search operations po para sa kanya.
Yes, ma'am. Tuloy-tuloy lang po simula nung 19 ng August na nakuha natin si Sheila and Cassandra nung 20 and from Batam lumipat nga po si Alice to Jakarta, nasundan din po ng Indonesian immigration. So we are continuously having the close coordination with them.
At itong coordination po ay kaugnay din kay Wesley Guo, tama po ba?
The latest we got from Wesley Go is umalis siya ng Batam ng 20 using the same ferry, then sumakay siya ng eroplano going to Hong Kong. And sumulat na rin po tayo sa Hong Kong Immigration requesting for the confirmation of the arrival ni Wesley sa Hong Kong, but we have already the confirmation na umalis siya ng Singapore. We're still waiting for the confirmation of his arrival in Hong Kong.
At may time frame po ba at least dun sa pag-secure ng person ni Alice Guo?
I cannot give po a timeline kasi ang lead po is Indonesian Immigration at saka wala tayong jurisdiction po doon sa kanila. We are just coordinating and binibigyan natin sila kung anong mga kailangan nilang may kung anong papel, may mga request. We readily provide them the needed information.
Huling tanong ko sa inyo, Commissioner, para sa araw na to. Saan po nagkulang ang BI? Anong borders po natin ang napaka-porous talaga o pinaka-porous at ito yung ginamit para makatakas sina Alice Guo?
Your Honor, as early as June 15, 2024, ilinagay na po namin si Alice Go at saka yung grupo sa alert list ng BI with the corresponding order to strictly monitor, heighten alert all airports and Zamboanga Seaport,